What's up, smart shoppers? Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that's got your back when it comes to making those all-important purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a face-off between two 3D printing titans, the Creality K1C and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max. It's the battle of the century. On the left, we have the speed demon Creality K1C, and on the right, the giant Anycubic Kobra 2 Max. Who will come out on top? Let's get into it. First up, let's talk speed. The Creality K1C claims to be 12 times faster than your average 3D printer, with a max speed of 600 millimeters per second and an acceleration that would make a sports car jealous at 20,000 millimeters per square second. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max isn't exactly a slouch either, boasting a max speed of 500 millimeters per second and 10,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. But it recommends you stick to 300 millimeters per second to avoid turning your print into a modern art disaster. Reviewers have praised the Creality K1C for its impressive speed, while Anycubic users appreciate the balance between speed and print quality. So, if you're in a hurry and don't mind risking a mini heart attack every time you hit print, Creality might be your new best friend. Now, let's compare print sizes. Creality K1C is like that speedy sports car with a compact trunk, whereas the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is more like a moving truck. The Kobra 2 Max offers a massive 16.5x, 16.5x, 19.7-inch print size, perfect for those who think bigger is better. Meanwhile, Creality K1C keeps things more cozy. Reviewers highlight the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max for its enormous build volume, making it ideal for larger projects. If you're into printing life-size statues of your cat, the Anycubic is your go-to. Extruders and nozzles, folks. Creality K1C has a clog-free direct extruder and a tri-metal unicorn nozzle. Yes, you heard that right, a unicorn nozzle. It's like the printer is saying, "I'm magical and I know it." It's perfect for those fancy carbon fiber filaments. Anycubic Kobra 2 Max, on the other hand, has a direct extruder with a dual-motor, dual Z-axis motion structure. It's optimized for smooth operation, so you won't get those pesky layer lines. Reviewers have noted that the Creality K1C excels with high-tech filaments, while the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is praised for its smooth and consistent prints. If you want your prints to be smoother than a jazz sax solo, Anycubic's got your back. Auto leveling is next. Creality K1C offers hands-free auto-calibration with smart sensors. One tap and you're good to go. It's like having a butler who also happens to be a math genius. Anycubic Kobra 2 Max? It's got a unique module for auto-leveling that compensates for Z-axis offset. It's like having a personal trainer for your printer, always making sure it's in tip-top shape. Reviewers appreciate the ease of use of both systems, but note that Creality's approach is particularly user-friendly. So if you hate leveling as much as I hate bad Wi-Fi, both of these are solid options. Smart features, anyone? Creality K1C comes with an AI camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography. It's like having a security camera for your print, making sure nothing goes wrong. Anycubic Kobra 2 Max has an app that lets you control everything from your phone. Firmware updates, real-time video supervision, remote control. It's like a smart home for your printer. Reviewers love the tech-savvy features of both printers, but Anycubic's app control gets a special mention for its convenience. If you're into tech and want to feel like Tony Stark while you print, Anycubic is your Iron Man suit. Finally, let's talk about the price tag. Creality K1C is priced at $699. while the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max will set you back $719. Only a $20 difference, but hey, that's a couple of coffees at your favorite overpriced cafe. Reviewers find both printers to offer good value for their price points, with the choice coming down to specific needs and preferences. Choose wisely. Overall, reviewers have a lot to say about both of these 3D printers. Creality K1C users often highlight its impressive speed and innovative features, though some have faced initial setup challenges. Anycubic Kobra 2 Max users appreciate its large build volume and the convenience of its app control, but note some minor issues with the touchscreen and filament entanglement. Both printers receive positive feedback for customer support and print quality. So who's the winner? Well, that's up to you. If you're all about speed and fancy filaments, Creality K1C is your go-to. But if you want a giant print size with all the smart features, Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is calling your name. Drop a comment below and let us know which one you think deserves the crown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy printing. Product links are in the description.